Hi everyone. Your health is our priority. Today we talk about digestive health and diabetes. How to maintain your health? Watch now. Digestive health and diabetes. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am Jabbar, functional nutrition, 10x health and wellness coach. And today we are diving into a super important topic, digestive health, and it is connection to diabetes. Digestive system with the pancreas. Did you know that the health of your digestive system plays a crucial role in managing diabetes? It's all connected, and today I am going to explain how. Number one, the digestive system role in blood sugar regulation. Your digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food you eat. But that is not all. It also influences how your body absorbs and uses glucose, which directly impacts your blood sugar levels. When you have diabetes, either your body does not produce enough insulin or it cannot use it properly, which makes managing blood sugar difficult. But here is the link. If your gut is not healthy, it can affect how efficiently your body manages glucose. Inflamed gut and insulin resistance. An unhealthy gut can lead to inflammation, and disinflammation can trigger insulin resistance. That means your body struggles even more to use insulin effectively, facing blood sugar spikes. Poor digestion and imbalanced gut microbiome or leaky gut can all contribute to this process, making it harder to control diabetes. Then, how to support digestive health to manage diabetes? Today's good news, you can support both your digestive health and diabetes management through a few key strategies: probiotics, fiber rich foods, and healthy meals. First, focus on foods that support gut health, like probiotics found in yogurt, fiber rich vegetables, whole grains, and foods rich in antioxidants. These help balance your gut bacteria and reduce inflammation. Then you can concentrate fiber rich foods also. Number four, practical tips for better digestive and blood sugar health. Also, make sure to eat smaller, balanced meal throughout the day. Avoiding processed sugars and refined carbs can keep your digestion smooth and blood sugar stable. When your gut is happy, your body is better able to manage glucose and keep diabetes in check. Then finally, digestive health is critical factor in diabetes management. But with the right food and lifestyle choices, you can improve both. If you want more tips on how to support your gut and manage diabetes, hit that subscribe button and join our health journey. So, subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching. And remember, good health start from the inside in your body. Thanks for watching this video. Any queries? Contact us.